Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K90 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do here is to open more settings, and we can do it just by swiping our finger from the top to the center or tapping on this arrow. So it's up to you. Here we've got an additional options, and let's simply tap on this timer with hourglass icon. In this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on 10 seconds delay, for example, of course. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted and applied. And all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, we have to wait. And the photo has been taken. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by just by tapping on timer again and tapping on this crossed out icon. And from now on our device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. However, as you can see, we've got an additional timer which is connected with the night mode, which was applied automatically, and it is here. So we've got additional 3 seconds of kind of the timer, but it is not a timer. So if you wish to turn it off, just tap on it. It will be crossed out, and now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.